Contrary to popular belief, HIV infection is not always fatal. Medicines and selected herbs can be used as preventive measures. Herbs have cancer-preventing properties and should be included in your daily diet. According to research, these are some of the best herbs for fighting HIV. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric has many beneficial effects thanks to its antioxidants. Turmeric has been reported to inhibit HIV replication. This herb helps the body's immune system to do its job in fighting diseases. 2. Neem leaves. This plant has been used since ancient times to treat many diseases. It has many other health benefits, among them preventing HIV. The plant stimulates the production of white blood cells and red blood cells, which act as a defense mechanism in the body. Neem leaves are boiled quickly in water to make a decoction. 3. Eucalyptus. These plants have been reported to have therapeutic properties, in addition to their dental function. They have also been found to be highly effective in inhibiting viruses. A tea or extract can be made from the leaves. It is therefore advisable to include them in the daily diet. 4. Garlic. This is a versatile herb with many health benefits. The plant has anti-cancer properties and is therefore effective against viruses. Foods can be flavored directly with garlic.